Watching this video, I went crazy with the Christmas clearance at Target and Walmart, a little bit at Dollar Tree, but you'll see. This haul will show you 3 stores for Christmas. So this is my receipt for Target, $55.04. $55.04. But look how much I saved. $160.16. I was running low on things that I need for next Christmas, so I always like to stock up ahead of time so that I always have it to go. But I really couldn't resist. Target had like 50% to 90%, and a lot of the stuff I got was 90% off. So I'm going to show you what I got. This is so cute. Candyland with milk chocolate, the milk chocolate edition. And it contains 33 milk chocolate game pieces. That's so cute. Now, this retails for $9.99, but I got it for $2.99. $7 saved. With this Monopoly milk chocolate edition. What's cool about this, off the bat, you can already tell what they're doing. For each property, you'll have a chocolate piece and that you can unwrap. So that's fun, and it's $2.99. Originally $9.99. And see, before it was $6.99, but the clearance took it down even more to $2.99. Then I got these really cute. This is a gift bag, good quality. Has a little button on top. How cute is that, right? It's really cute. Sure, I think it was 50 cents. Or no, I think it was originally. Oh, okay. Is that true? Okay, so this probably was around $5, I think, according to, is that right? I don't even know. I bought so many gift bags. But if it's like the average price I spent on gift bags this haul, this was probably 50 cents with everything taken off. Sorry, that wasn't very helpful, guys, right? This was in the 90% clearance section. He sees you when you're drinking. So this is cute. Look at that. It comes with this little paper tissue you can use to put inside. I got one of those. And then I got another drinker one, right? Peace, joy, love. How cute is that? Doesn't have tissue with it, but look at this. Velvet hanger. It would be... I'm not even sure. I'm sorry. Look, guys. You want to know why I can't figure this out? Look at this. This whole section is just all the gift bags. I can't tell which one is which. But on average, it was probably either 50 cents to $1, somewhere around there. I'm going to say it was probably even less because this was in the 90% section, 90% off section. What people didn't notice is they were all going to the 90% clearance section in the back of the store, but they should look at the clearance all over the store, because if they did, they would find in the girls section, little girls section, it's what's inside that counts. How cute is that? And look on the side, these stripes, and the inside, it's really cute. And I think you can use this beyond just Christmas, so that's nice. And the bottom is red. This, I know the price because I've seen this online before I bought it. Oh, I got it. Okay, so, let me go back. The wine bag, I just noticed the price. The wine bag, this thing, the wine bag was 30 cents. I saved $2.70 because it originally was $3. So it went from $3 to 30 cents. Yeah. This bag, I believe it was $3 and now it's 30 cents. So I'm pretty sure this was a $3 bag. Pretty large. 30 cents. Can't get better than that. Even 99-cent store or Dollar Tree, you can't get better than that. For this kind of quality, yeah. And I got this. Merry Christmas. Now you're probably wondering, am I really just gonna wait a whole year to use these? Not necessarily. I haven't seen some of my friends and it's New Year's Eve, so why not just get the presents now and then give it to them, I mean, they're not gonna really know, and I'm sure they don't mind that I saved 90%. So let us know. How cute is that? But if it turns out I have leftover, and I probably will, it's fine. I'll just save my money. I'll just save the bags for next year. I have a storage bag for that, a box for that. Then it's what, love this, love, you're going to love this. You're going to love this. Now on the screen, on your camera, it probably looks like a mint, like a dark green, but in person, I think this looks like a mint green, and this is like a hot pink. So on screen, it might look like it's Christmas colors, but to me, this can be used all year round. All year round. This can be used all year round. All year long, you know, all year long. This can be used all year long. Like, how cute is this? And 50 cents, it's cute. Can use it all year long. Same thing with this, I got for 50 cents. I love the ombre. How cute is that? How cute is that? Okay, so definitely saving. I can use that for the rest of the year. I don't need to wait for Christmas. Like these. I got this. This can be used all year long. It's not a Christmas present necessarily. This one, I thought it was alcohol when I took one look at it the first time I saw it. But this is body wash and eau de toilette. Look at it. It's a $35 value. But what they were selling it for originally was... This was originally $15. $15. Can you see that? Originally $15. Knocked down to $7.50 because it went 50% off. And this is huge. I might just save it for my dad. This is nice. His birthday's in January, so maybe I will. Maybe I'll join. There's no rule that you can't use something that you bought that's from the Christmas clearance for something later on in the year. Especially because it's not going to expire by then. And this is cute. I like this. This is the shaving cream, the post-shave balm, solid cologne. How nice is that? I can save this for later on in the year to give to someone. And I probably will. This is really cute. Okay. $7.50. And more Target. More Target. I got bows. I got bows in different, not area codes. Okay, so the decor bow, this whole bag went for $5 originally. 90% off, 50 cents. What? What? 50 cents for all of that. Wow. This, I was gonna give as a gift. I'm not sure I want to give it anymore. What? How cute is that? Now this retails for $8, right? But because it was part of the 90% clearance, this went for, I believe 80 cents, since that's what would be the math for 90% off. And, let's see, yeah. $7.99 is what, it says $8, but they mark it as $7.99 when you ring it. And then 90% off, it comes out to 79 cents. 79 cents for this. Would you know someone who would love this? I know plenty of people who would love this. That's why I'm keeping it. I don't know. Sorry. I'm probably keeping it. Possibly my favorite character in all of Star Wars. It retails for $10. Or as they would mark it as $9. Would they mark it as 10? Well, anyway, yes, it's $10. But when you buy it off the clearance, should be, well, anyway, this is like 90% off this. This is 90% off. This. Good quality. Can you hear that? It's blown glass. It's not plastic, it's blown glass. This box of cute cards. Now, it's originally retails for $7. But with the retail, 90% off of this, 70 cents. 70 cents for 16 holiday note cards. And these are really nice. These are good quality. This is timeless. This design is so timeless. I love it. It's so cute. This is packed. I was gonna gift this, but this is so cute. I think I might keep it. So this is for your drinks. It's a cozy. It says Christmas is magical. Christmas is magical, especially when you can get it at 9% off on New Year's Eve. So yeah, I got this for party cooler. So let me show this to you. This thing is called a party cooler, right? Now originally it's a $5 party cooler. It's hard to believe that was $5. It's cute, but $5? See? But look, I bought it for 50 cents. 50 cents to keep my drinks nice for next year. I always need gift tags. And there's 4 of them. And these are premium for $3 usually. But I got these for 30 cents because it's 90% clearance. How nice, right? It's nice. Russell Stover assorted chocolates. We're at that part of the haul right now. I have some candies coming up. The Russell Stovers. Wow. I didn't even look at the price of it originally, guys. It was $2.99. Saved $2.10. Knocked it down to 89 cents. Not 90%, but these are still really good, fine chocolates. I mean, look at how cute and yummy these look. That's good. I'm probably eating this. I'm having a New Year's Eve get-together, so I wanted to make sure I get something that I can use. So I got these. Look at that. This is cherry cordial cream. You can use this even if you were patient. I guess you could use it for Valentine's, but I wouldn't. Ugh. I like my candy like relatively fresh. I love M&Ms. M&Ms. And I love Reese's Pieces miniature cups. Now, or miniatures. I've never had this where there's like some pieces in it inside a. So is this? It's like a Reese's peanut butter cup with the Reese's Pieces in it. Oh, that's what it's saying. Okay, I don't read. It says milk chocolate peanut butter cups, Reese's stuffed with Reese's Pieces. Oh. I'm really excited now. I just saw what looked delicious, so I'm very excited to eat that. So this came out to $1.07. It originally was $3.59. This was originally $3.19. Bought it for 95 cents. This was $3.59. Bought it for $1.07. There's more food.